Tonight, an attempt to illuminate the issues behind the debates and the noise on social media. A closer focus on the known data, the facts as presented, and the very numbers our state leaders are examining each day to decide when schools can reopen and when our economy can get back to normal.
We want to look at the trends to see where we stand and where we are headed. First up, the number of new deaths reported daily. For a couple of weeks in April, we routinely saw more than 100 Michiganders die each day. Over the past few weeks, it's been a single-digit number almost every day. Today, the state reported 16 deaths, although 13 of those are from previous days that were found during a records check. The overall death toll now stands at 6,101. Here in West Michigan, Kent County has twice as many deaths as any other county with 142. Kalamazoo has 71 after reporting one new death today. Muskegon has 54 and Ottawa County has 48 deaths.
We're also looking at the trends of new cases and how many tests the state is doing. For the past few weeks, we've been hovering right around 300 to 400 new cases a day, although those numbers are up this week. Today, 645 new cases were reported. Overall, more than 71,000 have tested positive, and some 54,000 people have now recovered. And then there's this graph. This is the number of tests coming back positive every day. In June, fewer than 2% of all tests were coming back positive. Now about 3.5% are. Yes, we're doing more testing, but that percentage is what you want to pay attention to. The state's chief medical executive says the goal is to keep that positive rate below 3%. Grand Rapids is the focus of state officials right now. After enjoying the status of one of the safer areas in our state early on, the numbers here are going up. 3.7% of tests are coming back positive. And about the same is happening in the Detroit area right now. The rest of the state, however, doing much better, including in Kalamazoo. The Kent County Health Department tells us the test results in Grand Rapids are concerning.
We've also seen an increase in testing, but the positivity rate has increased as well. And that's concerning because typically when we would expand testing, we would expect the positivity rate to come down. And that hasn't happened. It's actually ticked up a little bit from about 3.5% up to around 4%. So, I am concerned that that transmission has been increasing lately, and we all need to buckle down in order to stop that from happening.
The goal of shutting down businesses and forcing people to wear masks is to keep hospital beds open for new patients. It's about not overwhelming our frontline workers. Over the past few days, the number of people hospitalized has risen in West Michigan. We pulled that new data today. Spectrum Hospital is at 65% occupancy. Metro Hospital is at 58%. The situation is worse in both Kalamazoo and Holland. Bronson Hospital is at 74% occupancy, and Holland Hospital is at 80% occupancy.